Hi, welcome back to another video. In this tutorial, I will show you portrait design in Photoshop. Create a gradient color. Follow the process. I hope you like tutorial. Follow the setting. Pick the text tool. I'm using this font. Download link in description. Align center. Open the second image. Remove the background. Move it on main project. Adjust the image size and set position. Right-click, convert to smart object. Right-click, choose clipping mask. Ctrl+J. Click on mask icon. Right-click, and text layer select pixel. Go to select, and choose inverse. Foreground color, select black. Pick up brush tool. Follow the process. Right-click on text layer, and choose blending option. Choose stroke, and follow the setting. Click on drop shadow, and follow the setting. Go to filter, click render, choose lens flare, follow the setting.